Yeah, this the Truth Serum on Twitter. I said this the Truth Serum on Twitter, aka Blackout. Now today I'm gonna be talking about why people scared of mice and rodents and rats. And people scared of them things because they ain't real, because they fake, because they got 89 to 90% human DNA in it. That's why people don't like them. Now I'm gonna tell you why they made mice and rats and stuff like that, rodents. They made it off another animal, but I'm gonna tell you why they made those animals. They made those animals so they can experiment on those animals, so they can make drugs for you and me. That's the only reason why they made a mouse or a rat. And you wonder where they come from. Them things got loose, and now they all over the place. Just like them wild African bees, they got loose, and now they are all over the place. And they made those mice so they can experiment on like heroin, uh, different kind of pills like triaxophol and Suboxones and Klonopins and just different kind of pills. And then because since the mice have the same DNA as a human, almost the same reaction is gonna happen. So if a mice get cancer, they know a human's gonna. It's possible that the human's gonna get cancer. That's why they made the mice, to test it out, to see what it's gonna do to us. That's why when you pop that mice and them mouse traps, all that blood come out. Because that mice got human DNA. That mouse is a part of you and me. Just like the dog is. The dog got human DNA in it. That's why people want them dogs so close to them. And the dogs feel like a human. They be talking to the dog and everything like it can understand you. But that's why they made the mouses, so they can practice on it and then later on down the line stick us with it. Because like back in the days, you never heard about nobody talking about a damn mouse. Nobody. That's new. How old you think mouses are? That's new. They can't be no more than 100 years old. Spread across the whole world like that. Maybe 150 years old. They've been doing experimenting on stuff since they started experimenting on that mule. So if you think back to how long a mule came into existence, that's how long they've been experimenting on stuff long before that. I ain't gonna get off into all of that. But like human beings, mankind been experimenting on lots of things. Do you understand? And they experimented on that mouse and they injected the human DNA into that mouse. And that's why people scared of mouses, because it's unnatural and it's not from the Creator. Anything they can do against the Creator, they do it. But the mouses is for experiment too. To experiment on us in a way to like, it's like a secret experiment on us, but not experimenting on us at the same time. They could say, oh, we ain't experimenting on you, we're experimenting on this mice. We're going to see what happened to him, and then we're going to do it next to you. So if they know that them pills cause cancer later on in life, they already know exactly what them pills do. If they know that pill cause cancer later on in life and you can't detect it right away, they still going to put that pill out there. They don't care if you get cancer or not. I just wanted to let the people know that mouses are fake. It got human DNA in it, 90% or 80% human DNA in it, and it's man-made. The man made the mouse about what? At least 150, 200 years ago, maybe. At the most, 200 years ago at the most. This the Truth Serum on Twitter, aka Blackout.